A few important questions for CBSE Class 12 examination and NEET preparation and other competitive examinations are being provided here. The topic is surface chemistry. Now we know that surface chemistry consists of two parts. One is a surface phenomenon which is known as adsorption, while the other is related to colloids or colloid chemistry. And therefore, we have to take care about the word D and B. So that's what is desirable, and it is said that don't underestimate the power of a single letter. This A, D and AB makes the difference between the two surfaces phenomenon which is known as adsorption and absorption. Molecules adhere to the surface of the face in adsorption, whereas in absorption, molecules are drawn into the bulk of the face. Well, here is a mapped scheme for surface chemistry related to adsorption, physical adsorption, and chemical adsorption. Two types of processes are there. And then the colloid chemistry. A hint is provided about the preparation, purification, properties, physical states, classification, interaction, particle size, and they may be sol, gel, emulsion, aerosol, lyophobic, lyophilic, macromolecular, and multimolecular. Similarly, the important properties of the colloids are Tyndall effect, electrophoresis effect, coagulation, Brownian movement. We can purify the colloid by a process of dialysis, electrodialysis, and ultrafiltration. Different methods are there for preparation of colloids, such as chemical method and the Briggs arc method. I'll to review this topic, the important points. So here is the topic, difference between physisorption and chemisorption. Well, there are certain important points here. I expect our viewers and the students to go through it and identify, keep in mind the difference between physisorption and chemisorptions. This will help a lot so for us solving many questions which are being provided here. And these questions are memory-based questions. Of course, the background is essential. The concept is very important so far as any topic is concerned. The correct answers are provided to all these questions, and wherever hints are necessary would be also mentioned there. Okay, let us start with the question. The question is, in physisorption, adsorbent gas does not show specificity for any particular gas because a number of options are there, 4 options, and the correct answer is involved van der Waals forces are universal. That's the reason. Next question. The 3 grams of activated charcoal was added to 50 milliliter of acetic acid solution 0.06 normal in a flask. After an hour, it was filtered and the strength of the filtrate was found to be 0.042 N. The amount of acetic acid absorbed per gram of the charcoal is, the answer is very clear, that is 18 milligrams. Actually, we need to subtract the strength, 0.06 minus 0.042 becomes 18. There is a difference of 0.18 grams, or you can say 18 milligrams. That's there. Next question. Extent of physisorption of a gas increases with, and the correct answer is decrease in temperature. Another question. Extent of adsorption of adsorbate from solution phase increases with, the answer is increase in amount of adsorbate in the solution. The term sorption stands for. Option is correct answer, both absorption and adsorption. Mark the difference between B and D. Again, given gas H2, CH4, CO2, SO2 and their critical temperatures are given here. On the basis of the data given above, predict which of the following gases show least adsorption on definite amount of charcoal. The correct answer is H2, hydrogen. Which one of the following characteristic is associated with adsorption? The answer is at option D, that is delta G, delta S and delta H are negative. Next question, physical adsorption of gaseous species may change to chemical adsorption with, out of the four options, the correct answer is at B, that is increase of temperature. Which of the following is an example of absorption? A, B. It is the correct option is water on calcium chloride. Water on calcium chloride absorbs water. Other examples shown in the absorption are adsorption, AD. Next question, Freundlich's adsorption isotherm, the value of 1 upon n is. The correct option is A, between 0 and 1. In all, which of the following will show Tyndall effect? Very good question. The answer is at B, aqueous solution of soap above critical micelle concentration, that is CMC, that gives the Tyndall effect. Aqueous. Next question, which of the following options are correct? And the correct answer is micelle formation by soap in aqueous solution occurs above a particular concentration, that is known as critical micelle concentration, usually denoted as CMC. The other question is, which of the following process is not responsible for presence of electric charge on the soil particles? And the answer is at option D, absorption of ionic species from the solution. Well, these are quite important questions, and this question is very important according to the Helmholtz absorption theory, double layer theory. Next question, which of the following options are correct? Micelle formation by soap in aqueous solution occurs above a particular concentration. That's what we have already taken up, and that is critical micelle concentration, CMC. Next question, which of the following process is responsible for formation of delta at a place where rivers meet the sea? The option is coagulation, that is option C is correct. Collodion is 4% solution of which one of the following in alcohol ether mixture? And the option is nitrocellulose. That's the correct answer. Then when oxygen O2 is absorbed, AbSORBED, on metallic surface, electron transfer occurs from metal to oxygen. The true statement regarding the statements adsorption are O2 is physisorbed, heat is released, occupancy of pi star at 2p orbital of O2 is decreased, bond length of O2 is decreased. A very good question, and the simple answer here is that heat is released. And dispersion medium in soap lather are respectively, of course, 5 options are given here, no problem, but the answer is at A, gas and liquid. And here is the next question. Which of the following is correctly matched? Emulsion soap, gel butter, foam mist, aerosol. The answer is at B, gel butter. That's the correct answer. Coagulation values in millimoles per liter of the electrolytes used for the coagulation of arsenic trioxide, As2O3, are given below. These are the coagulation values provided here, and the correct order of the coagulation power is to be determined. 4 options are given in decreasing order, means the one which has highest coagulation value will be written first, and the least coagulation value will be written at the end. So here the answer is at option A, that is 0.22. 0.22 is the minimum coagulation value. And then barium chloride and magnesium sulfate, it provides 3 ions, whereas magnesium sulfate gives 2 ions. Therefore, the correct option is 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. It's a very good question and is to be taken care of. Quite important. Next question is here. And the question is, lyophobic soles can be protected by? Very simple question. It is the protective colloid is definitely at option C, that is lyophilic colloid, that is lyophilic sole. So that's the correct answer. Fog is a colloidal solution of 4 options given: solid in gas, gas in gas, liquid in gas, gas in liquid. And the correct answer is liquid in gas. Next question. Now, I expect our viewers to go through these questions, and I'm very sure that if you solve these questions, you will be gain confident. And since these are memory-based questions, you have to keep it in mind, and at the same time, concepts are very essential.